My YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be about importing data from Excel into Power BI desktop. So this is going to be a very simple video. So let's quickly look into it. So first we'll open the Power BI desktop that we have installed in the yesterday's video, YouTube video. So please don't forget to check it out. Then let's open the Power BI desktop. So we'll go to the Power BI desktop. Now here in Power BI desktop, there is one setting that I always change before importing any type of data. So the setting will be here. I'll go into file. Now after going into file, I'll go into options and settings. And after going into options and settings, I'll go to options. Now into these options, there will be multiple options that will be available for you. So there is one particular option for relationships that I'm going to turn off. So you will see that there is a current file options. Into this current file, there is one more option of data load. So into this data load, I will deselect the checkbox of auto detect new relationships after the data is loaded and then click on OK. The reason why I am deselecting it is I do not want that when multiple tables are getting extracted from Excel into Power BI, at that time, relationships gets create automatically. So that is something which I don't prefer, because sometimes it could make it more complex for us to solve. If that many relationships will be created, that there might be a confusion that could be created. So that's the reason I always prefer to turn the setting as off before importing any data. Then after doing that step, I'll simply import the data. So I will, if you can see, there is an option where you can import data from Excel. So I'll double click on this import data from Excel. And I already have one Excel sheet downloaded. So this is a superstore of US sheets. So this is a 2015 data. So this includes all the information about all the orders that all the US superstores had. So that is a part of one sheet. Another sheet includes all the returns, like whatever orders are returned. And a third one has the part of users. So which user belongs to which region. So basically, these three are the sheets that we have in this Excel workbooks. So we'll simply load the data. For transforming the data, I'm going to create more YouTube videos. So this needs a whole different video. So I'm going to simply load it. Now after we are loading this, so all that three sheets that we are loading, it will be loaded as three different tables. Now let us wait for it to get load. So it can depend upon the sheet size, and it can depend upon the number of rows the Excel sheet is having. So it can take from 10 seconds to even 1 minute if the data is very huge. So here our data is loaded successfully into the Power BI desktop, and it is ready to use for creating further reports. Now, if you see on the left hand side, you will see there are three kinds of views. Like you can see, first one, the one that is visible to you on screen, is report view. So whatever visuals like bar chart, table, matrix, slicer, whatever visuals you will be extracting here, that all will be visible in this report view. Then second type of view we have is table view. So table view is all the sheets that we have extracted. It will be visible as a table. Like you can see, there is one sheet of orders, another sheet of returns, another one of users. So all these three are extracted in the form of tables. And the third one is model view. Model view is basically, here you will see all the tables and all the columns included into the table, and here you can create the relationships. Like I want to create, let's say, one to one, one to many, many to one relationships. So this is a place where I will be able to create the same. So these three are the types of views that we have in Power BI desktop. Now here let's start with a very simple visualization. Like in the middle, if you can see, there is an option called as visualizations. From these visualizations, let us select a table. Now, in this table, I only want to see all the cities that this orders table has. So, let me only select city. All the cities will be displayed here, right? So, this is, let's just consider this as one kind of report which has all the city included. Here, you can double click and rename it to cities, the report name as cities, and Let's save this. So we'll go into file, then we'll click on save as, and I want to browse. So I'll click on browse this device, and let's say on the desktop I want to save it as first PBI report, and I will save it. So here it's done. Please try it out at your own, and if you like the video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe it. Thank you. Bye.